I weld. I'm a welder, and I complete pieces to be assembled to create a full light fixture to provide lighting for sports companies or sport like complexes like sport fields and all that. And we just try to do our best to put out the best quality product, and I just love what I do here because I just have a passion for welding.
I've made fixtures. I've made plenty of stuff, plenty of mounts. I'm currently making junction boxes and enclosures, and I see in the foreseeable future I'll be making a couple more stuff. I've been working here about a year and a half.
My dad, he always kind of was with like metal and all that, working with it because we have a little shop, and he taught me how to weld, and ever since then I just kind of was intrigued with it, and I figured out that I could pursue it in high school and learn things in classes and all that. So I just really thought it was really a useful skill that I could use.
Well, I was definitely one of those kids who was kind of just thrown into a welding class in high school, and first couple days in, couple weeks in, my teacher looked at me and, not exaggerating, said, not bad. He told me I can make a career out of it. So he told me about this opportunity, and I took it as soon as I could. It's very relieving. I've had great days. I've had horrible days, where everything went wrong. Regardless, it's just nice to see my efforts were, not in vain. They were put into something, and that's what I can use that as. That's my accomplishment, and it's something that can benefit me in the future. So I'm very proud to have it.
I was in my junior year, and then going on to the summer, I talked to one of my counselors, and they were able to set up a little thing for me, an apprenticeship, and I was able to start working for money and learning how to do the things that they do here, and it's really a really cool thing that they do here. So I really appreciate the opportunity.
Well, it's a great environment in pretty much all aspects. One of my favorite benefits is that they could probably pay me in drinks. I definitely get my money's worth in the free drinks that they have. It's a great community here. Everybody's very friendly, very helpful. Definitely I've never been uncomfortable here. I'm just very glad to be a part of this.
I would say probably being more patient and having more like a keen eye to things like quality-wise, like seeing if there's missing welds or whatnot, and if I need to fix them, go back and fix my mistakes.
I mean, part of it's definitely the weld quality itself. I mean, all day is just practice, practice, practice. You're always striving to be better. You're always trying to get the highest quality possible, trying to become the most efficient worker possible. It's helped me outside of work. I feel more attentive. I start, as I'm building a structure, you kind of have to consider the entire project. You have to, every little spot where a weld could be, you check. Any point of failure, you check. And I've kind of carried that over into my regular day-to-day life as well.
I'm really happy. Like, it's a really good opportunity that I took, and I got proposed with the opportunity, and I took it, and I'm really happy because I know that it'll take me far in life if I stick with it, and I just know that it's a good team here, and I'm treated like family.
It was really just taking that next step forward. I hope to continue to progress, up the ladder. I hope to keep showing that I'm a good worker and that I can improve even more beyond this. So getting the opportunity to be a full-time member, get some more eyes on me, will help a lot. Well, I think if you enjoy welding in any capacity, I couldn't see a better opportunity. This will teach you whatever you want about MIG welding. It'll teach you about the quality of your metals. It'll really give you something to to dig your nails into, sink your teeth in. Plenty of educational opportunities, a lot of work experience, and you're making money.